Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys the tutorial on how to do the disable your traction control for your second generation Prius and your third generation Prius right here. So let's go ahead and get this started. But be sure you guys gonna park at the even level location. Okay, you cannot park on a slanted driveway, or your car is going to roll backward. All right, it is very dangerous. Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to turn off your traction control for your Toyota Prius. I'm going to do the second generation, and then the second video I'll be doing a third generation Prius. So let's go ahead and get it started. So here's the instruction. You're gonna press power two times, and then after that you're gonna press your gas pedal 2 times, plus hitting the brake, and then put it into neutral. Hold it for a couple of seconds, and after that you're gonna press gas 2 times again and put it into park position without pressing any gas pedal or brake pedal. And then after that, you're gonna press the gas 2 times and hit the brake, and then turn on your ignition, which is the power button. So let's go ahead and get it started. So we're gonna turn on this power button without hitting the brake, okay? But make sure you guys park it at the even level. Last time I did a mistake. I parked on my driveway, and all of a sudden, when I was doing this procedure, and then all of a sudden my car was moving backward and losing the power, so it was kind of hard to hit the brake without the power brake. So it's kind of it is very dangerous. So just be careful to do this at your own risk. Make sure there's no car around you. So let's go ahead and get it started. Press the power 2 times, and then the second time is to hit the gas twice, hit the brake, and then put in the neutral, okay, and hold it there for like 1 or 2 seconds and let go. And then you're gonna go back here and press the gas pedal 2 times, and without hitting the brake, gonna press this P, parking position. And then after that, you're gonna go back here and then hit the gas twice, and then hit the brake, and then turn on the car, and you should see exclamation mark, red exclamation mark. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna open the door and then close it, because since I pressed the brake. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and get it started. So there is your exclamation mark. That means the traction control is off right now. Okay. So hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. And I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace. Alright YouTube, so I'm at the third generation Prius, and we're gonna do the same procedure and method on how to disable your traction control. So let's go ahead and get it started. First of all, you gotta know where's your power button right there, your parking, your neutral, all right, and then your gas pedal right there, and the brake. So I'm gonna go through the instruction real quick. You're gonna press power 2 times without hitting the brake or gas pedal. And then after that, you're gonna hit the gas pedal 2 times. and then a brake, and then put your car in neutral and hold it there for a little bit, probably about 1 or 2 seconds. And you're gonna go to hit the gas pedal again 2 times, and then put the car into park position without hitting the brake. And you're gonna hit the gas 2 times, and then the brake, and then press power, and you should be in the traction control mode. To disable that. So let's go ahead and get it started. Wow. And there you go, the traction control, it is off, okay, and it shows maintenance mode. And that's how you disable your traction control. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that like and then hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.